Are you struggling with a frustrating error in Jasper Reports? If you've ever encountered the dreaded resource not found message when working with subreports, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head on and get your reports running smoothly. I completely understand how annoying it is when everything seems to work perfectly in JasperSoft Studio, but then you hit a wall when integrating it into your JavaFX project. It's a common issue that many developers face, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out with a question about their Jasper report that includes a subreport. They mentioned that while it works fine in the studio, they keep getting an error saying the subreport resource is not found when they run it in their JavaFX application. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? It often comes down to how the subreport is referenced in your main report. If the path or the way you're passing the subreport as a parameter isn't correct, you'll run into this issue. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you avoid this error in the future. To resolve the issue of the subreport not being found, the user should first ensure that the subreport file is correctly referenced in the main report. This means checking the subreport expression in the main report's JRException file. Next, the user should verify that the subreport file is indeed located in the correct directory. The path specified in the expression must match the actual location of the answers.jasper file. Additionally, the user should ensure that the subreport dir parameter is correctly set in the parameters map before filling the report. This parameter should point to the directory containing the subreport. Finally, the user should compile both the main report and the subreport again to ensure that any changes are reflected. This can be done using JasperSoft Studio or programmatically in the Java code. Fun fact, did you know that Jasper Reports was originally developed in 2001? It has come a long way since then, but some of these common issues still trip up even the most experienced developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the error occurs because the parameter subreport is not being utilized correctly in the main report. Instead of referencing answers.jasper directly, you should use the parameter you created. This adjustment allows the main report to dynamically reference the subreport passed as a parameter, which should resolve the resource not found error. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests modifying the subreport expression in your marking scheme.JRException file. Instead of using a hard-coded string for the subreport, they recommend using a parameter. Change the subreport expression to reference the parameter like this, pSubreport. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution suggests modifying the subreport expression. Instead of just using the subreport name, you should include the parameter for the subreport directory. This can be done by setting the subreport expression to pSubreport dir plus the subreport name, like this, pSubreport dir plus answers.jasper. Additionally, you need to provide the path dynamically from your context for the subreport dir parameter. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your subreports in the same directory structure as your main report. This practice can save you a lot of headaches and prevent resource not found errors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the resource not found error in your Jasper reports. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Happy reporting!